If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, if we haven't met. If you're a returning customer, thank you guys so much for watching again. If you're already a subscriber, that's great. If you're not, go ahead and hit subscribe. Down here, bam, and then hit the notification bell. Today, we're gonna be talking about workout splits. Some of the ones I've tried, some of the ones that work for me, and some of the ones that don't. We're gonna be talking about splits. I got some notes here because I can't memorize everything. A long time ago, before I had trainers, I would make up my own. Bodybuilding.com, Google, YouTube, probably the same thing you guys do. Copy mine, copy Callum's, copy Greg Doucette, copy anyone that you find. Mike Thurston, Ryan, whatever. I'm sure you guys are like, you know, you want new ideas, so you go and you find a new idea, you try it out, and that's great. And that's what I was gonna say is perfect. The way I like to explain it to people is, I don't know how common this theory is, but I feel like when I explained in my leg video, I explained basically that my legs wouldn't grow, my legs wouldn't grow, my legs wouldn't grow. And then I had a trainer that was like, let's do quad focus and then hamstring focus, separate them. My theory is, and I'm sure it's not just Mike's theory here, I'm sure other people have this, but I've never really heard it explained this way, so I'll just go ahead and explain it. I think there's a password, if you will, to unlocking your muscles potential, right? So what works for me might not work for you. You guys might try my leg split, that idea of quads and hamstrings on different days. It may not work. You might say, Mike, I lost gains. Thanks, bro. I like to give you guys as much advice as I can and tell you everything I know about what I've tried personally. So you can try it. I think that's great. It's great that you guys are trying different splits, different exercises, and it's one step closer to maybe unlocking the password, you know, the key to your muscles, if you will. I think what would be a bad idea is to do what everyone else is doing just because everyone else is doing it, if that makes sense. So to get back to the video here, get us back on track, I tried a split that looked like this. Chest and back was one, shoulders, arms, and then legs, okay? And what's interesting is the reason I tried chest and back, I remember this one, this was before I had a trainer, was I think it was something that Arnold said where you do your chest, right? And then you do your back and you do all these pulling motions and you're stretching your chest out, which in theory sounds great. For me, -5 gains. Didn't work. It just didn't work for me. Then you have the Arnold split, which basically, I don't remember the exact details of the split, but he would do 2 days. He was like famous for that. He would do a workout, go to work, do another workout. That's awesome. I personally, nowadays, I don't know anyone that does a split like that. Like, I don't know many pros that do the Arnold type split. They may go in and do cardio and come home and then come back and do a workout. If you count that as 2 days, then everybody's doing it. Any competitor is doing that kind of thing where they do cardio, they come back to the gym later at night, they hit their workout, and guess what? Sandwich it with cardio, baby. That's the sad reality of competing. I can honestly say I haven't tried that. Another one I tried was quads, chest, back, shoulders, arms, and hamstrings. That's the one that really helped me grow my legs. My coach at the time, he had me do quads and hamstrings separate, and we were working out, I think, looks like 5 days. Shoulders and arms were one. So 5 days a week. And another thing though, is we really upped my leg volume. Like really upped it. The one that I'm doing right now that I really enjoy is the one that my current coach put out to us, everybody on the team. I think it's awesome, and since I've been lifting for a while now, I can see the thinking. So it's chest, then we do legs, then we do back, then we have a rest day on Wednesday. Then we do a pump, upper body pump, and then a lower body pump, and then another rest day. Now, there's a couple reasons I like this. Number one, I like this because when I hit chest, I hit it on a Sunday. So today's Sunday, I just hit chest. Love it, because guess who's hitting chest on Sunday? Nobody. Yeah, good answer. And then on Monday, when everyone else is hitting chest, guess who's hitting legs? This guy. And guess who doesn't want to hit legs on a Monday? Everybody else. Why? Because it's hard. Ooh, it's so hard to get to the gym on Monday and do legs. But honestly, I mean, who wants to do legs on Monday? Nobody, myself included. But guess what? Do the hard stuff. Then you hit back. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you nail these huge compound lifts and you're starting off the week strong, right? I mean, chest is great. Everybody loves chest. I hate it, but everybody else loves it. You do legs, you slam that, right? And then you roll into back, and I love working back. Then you get a rest day, right? So then you're resting, it's cool. And the thing I've learned over time with lifting is as the week goes on, you get more worn down. So like Sunday, I'm ready to go. Monday, I'm good to go. Tuesday, back, it's not hard. It's just, you know, I can tell like I'm getting tired. Then Wednesday, I need the rest day. If you get to your rest day after 3 days of hard training like this and you don't feel like you need it, you might want to train harder than last time. Shout out Greg. Then you come back and you do an upper body pump. And then the next day, my Friday, you do a lower body pump. And I like that a lot because number one, we're not going heavy. And like I said, you're getting more and more tired throughout the week. Yes, you had that rest day on Wednesday, but your muscles are still like, if you really train hard those first 3 days, they're still like, man, I don't think you could go all out, is I guess what I'm trying to say here. And so to have a pump day is great, and then an upper body is great because guess what? I'm hitting shoulders again. I'm hitting arms again. I'm hitting chest and back again sometimes, like light. That's kind of geared toward the individuals on our teams. Like, so for me, my weak spot is my arms and my shoulders. So I need them to grow before I compete in the summer, and I am just focusing those and hitting them hard. I'm going all out rep-wise and intensity. Progressive overload is a real thing, and you gotta be smart about it, and you don't always have to go heavier to hit progressive overload. Then we have the leg day pump, which I like because you're hitting legs a second time the week, and you're not trying to out squat everyone in the world. We're doing 15 reps here, and I'm doing 3 trisets, right? So hit a set of 15, hit a set of 15 on a different exercise, hit a set of 15 on a different exercise, rest a minute and a half, and go again. It's hard. It's hard work, and your legs just get this massive pump, and you don't need a lot of weight. And like I said, by that day, I am so dead. When I get done with the gym and I come home and I ride the bike for 25 minutes, I'm dead. Like I want to die. Like Friday night after that, I usually am like, oh, I'll go out and maybe hang out with someone. No, I'm on the couch, dead. Something else I want to mention that I learned over time was I was always used to Monday through Friday, work hard. Saturday, Sunday, chill with the boys, do whatever you want. And that's cool. But then my new coach, Marcus, for the last 2 years, he showed me this new way of looking at it where you train hard for 3 days, you take a break. You train hard for 2 days, you take a break. And I think this is perfect because if you, just like I said, you get progressively tired over the course of the week if you're really, really training. If you're going in there and just going through the motions, you're not gonna be tired at all. But if you're going in there and you're focused and you're mentally on point and physically you're doing your best, and having a bad day is okay. You can still do your best. That's the thing. That's the cool thing. I think a lot of people pass that up. They think, well, I wasn't motivated. Awesome. Do what you can do. Like whatever your max is, or I didn't feel strong. That's okay. That's okay. Hit as many as you can. Pick up half the weight of that, and then double your reps. And I guarantee, guess what? Your muscles will still grow. You might be not motivated. You might have had a bad day at work. You know, something might have you down. That's okay. Those days happen, and guess what? Those days are sometimes the best workouts because those are the mentally tough. It's easy to go in. When you want to go in and smash some weights, it's easy, right? Everybody can do that. But guess what people can't do? When they're not motivated, when they're feeling down, they can't get to the gym. And they can't try their hardest. And those are the days that count the most. Like I was saying, you get more tired throughout the week. And when you do Monday through Friday, I'm telling you, when I used to do them back to back to back, the workouts, you just get more and more run down. That Wednesday rest day is so nice to have a reset. And I love having one rest day during the week where like I can stock up on groceries, I can meal prep halfway through the week, like I can go to work and come home and chill, which is so nice because normally it's come home from work, get ready for the gym, you know, stretch, then go to the gym, then come home, then cardio, then shower, then, you know, like, and it's just like, it just feels so fast paced. So it's great on Wednesday. It's like after work, I come home, I deload, I stretch, I just chill. And then I'm ready. Thursday comes around and I'm ready to hit it again. And it's almost Friday, so it's like, dude, piece of cake. I would recommend that. I'm sure a lot of people right now like to have their weekends, Saturday and Sunday. But the way I see it is I like to start on Sunday because people don't start on Sunday. So I have a leg up on all the competition. That's honestly what I got for you guys today. I'm sorry that the video was a little bit lengthy, but I just want to, like I said, I want to give you guys as much information from my experiences that I can. Now, you guys take this information and run with it. Try some of these splits out. Some of them are going to work, some of them aren't. But what I do ask that you guys do is give them a fair chance. And that doesn't mean try it for 1 week. That means try it for 3-4 months. And when you're looking at the lifetime of working out, 3-4 months is a teeny tiny bit. Just give it a chance. If you have an off week and you're like, this isn't working, screw this, like just keep going, you know, just keep trying it for 3 or 4 months. And then if you don't see results, move on to the next one. That's gonna be it for me today. Like I said, thank you so much for all my new viewers. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks to my subscribers for returning. If you guys have a question for me, be sure to leave it in the comments. I love to get back to you guys. I love hearing your stories and things that you guys do or try. I love hearing it and seeing it. And I love having an active channel where everybody's just positive and there's great comments flowing on the channel. And also, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. That and commenting helps my channel so much. And lately, you guys have been absolutely destroying it. Please subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new upcoming content or any of my old content. You guys will see it first. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.